Hi, Lori Townsend again. I'm making this video for assignment number 2 because I get asked the most questions about assignment number 2. People don't understand what they have to do. So we'll explain it a little bit. So I opened up at the calendar. I want you to see once again, there's 3 different due dates. February 14th, you have to register for the stock game and purchase stocks. By the 13th, you have to trade at least one of those stocks, and by the 24th, the game will close, so see where you're at. And then you have to write a paper on what you learned about trading stocks. It may learn that you just learned it's not for me, and that's okay, but make it 2 pages explaining why it's not for you. Now, so I'll go to the learning modules. Here's assignment number 2. Here's the directions. You are to create a fantasy portfolio stock of $100,000. I'm giving you $100,000 and you have to do at least 2 or more stocks. This is by the end of the 4th week of classes, but go by the due date on the calendar. Second, you must buy and sell stocks by the 8th week. Then you have to write 2 to 3 pages in the 12th week of the semester for the investment report. Okay, here's the contest name, and you follow this. Oh, hopefully that's the right link. I don't think it is. I'm not sure. Let's see. Copy, paste. So I'm going to log in. Oh, I'm just going to log in with, no, I'm not going to log in with Facebook because that's a pain. Okay. Okay, so what you do is you go out to howthemarketworks.com and you make an account. You log in. You should see this dashboard. So what you want to do is scroll down and look for join contests. Okay, so see it takes me right to find a contest. Where was I? Over here. The contest is named Spring 20 BUS 238. So just type that in there and it will allow you to join the thing. I'm already in it, of course, so I can't exactly go in and make an account, but I have a link because I'm already in it, my contests. And you want to make a trade at some point, go into stocks, and then I want to buy Disney. I think it's DIS. I honestly don't know off the top of my head. Walt Disney Company, I want to buy 500 shares. And then I go through and and then it shows me some information about it. Click to preview my order. Click again to preview my order. Well, it's not doing it for me for some reason, but that's how you do the trade. So our game isn't active yet, so that's why. So it'll be better when you do it. Okay, I will post from time to time the leaderboard. It's not a contest, but it's always interesting to see who makes money, who doesn't make money, and we will continue that throughout the semester. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Don't be afraid to click on things in the stock game. There's actually learning tools out here as well, tutorial videos. If you need any help, see right there, tutorial videos, how to manage your portfolio. It'll walk you through it. Also, it might educate you on what a stock is and that kind of stuff. So some of you know, of course, but oh, my order totaled $73,000. So I almost spent my $100,000. Wow. Okay, so hopefully this helps a little bit. Good luck.